which are based upon the properties of parallel line. Our question number 1 in the figure, it is said that your OP is parallel to RS. We can see that OP is parallel to RS. Angle OPQ is 110 and angle QOS is equal to 130. Then determine angle PQR. आपको ये angle निकालना है PQR. You can see that this is PQR. Now you can take the numbers. With numbers it becomes more easy. मान लीजिए मैंने यहाँ पे angle 1 ले लिया और यहाँ पे angle 2 ले लिया. Right? You can see that angle 1 plus 110 is equal to 180. ये किससे आपका हो जाएगा? लीनियर पेयर. राइट? 110 प्लस एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 180 लीनियर पेयर. यहाँ से एंगल 1 आपका कितना हो जाएगा? 180 माइनस 110 दैट इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. नाउ दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू योर 70 डिग्री. नाउ इन द सेम वे यू कैन सी दैट ये आपका 130 है तो योर दिस एंगल विल बी 130. सो यू कैन राइट एंगल PNR is equal to angle NRS, that is equal to 130. That is alternate interior angle. Okay, now just see. So again angle 130, angle 2 plus 130 is equal to 180. ये आपका लीनियर पेयर हो जाएगा. And from here angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130 that is equal to 50. तो ये एंगल आपका कितना हो गया? 50 डिग्री. Now in a triangle the third angle can be worked out by the angle sum property. तो ये आप थर्ड एंगल निकाल सकते हैं कैसे? एंगल you can write angle P plus angle N plus angle Q is equal to 180. This is your angle sum property. Right? Now in triangle you can mention P and Q. P की वैल्यू आपकी 70, N की वैल्यू आपकी 50 plus angle Q is equal to 180 and therefore angle Q is equal to 180 minus 120 and this is equal to your 60 degrees. So how much is this angle? 60 degree. Right? Now in the question number 2 it is said find x. आपको x निकालना. If AB is parallel to CD and it is parallel to EF, मतलब AB, CD और EF आपकी तीनों लाइन पैरेलल है. You can see from here EF is parallel to CD. EF और CD आपका पैरेलल है तो एंगल ये वाला एंगल आपका ECD plus 140 is equal to 180. That is sum of co-interior angles. आपका 180 होता है. ठीक है. यहाँ से एंगल ECD is equal to 180 minus 140 will give you 40. तो ये एंगल आपका कितना हो गया? 40 डिग्री. Again AB is parallel to CD. देखिए AB और CD आपका पैरेलल है तो this angle and this whole angle will be your alternate angle. Okay, so angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, that is alternate angle. Okay? Alternate angles. Now from here 60 is equal to x plus 40 implies x is equal to 60 minus 40 and that is equal to 20 degree. So in this way we have worked out for the value of x. We are here with some more questions. We'll see those questions also. Your question number 3. Your question number 3, we are given with this type of figure. This is our figure. A, O, C, D. This is B. Here it is given 130 and this is given as 120 and we are supposed to work out X. Right? Now just see here, its condition given is AB is parallel to CD if find the value of X. Find the value of X. In such type of question we will do one construction. देखिए construction आपका क्या होगा कि आपको एक लाइन थ्रू ओ ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी जो इसके पैरेलल होगी. ये हमने लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी. अब आप देखिए ये एंगल आप इसको 1 ले लीजिए और ये एंगल आप क्या ले लीजिए 2. You can make dotted line also or you can make the proper line also. This is construction. ध्यान दीजिए अपना construction part होगा draw a line through O parallel to AB. देखिए अगर वो AB के पैरेलल है तो AB आपका किसके पैरेलल है CD के, तो ऑब्वियसली वो लाइन आपकी CD के भी पैरेलल होगी. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अवर लाइन L which is now angle 1 plus 130 is equal to 180. That is sum of co-interior angle. That is co-interior angle, right? Then यहाँ से एंगल 1 कितना हो जाएगा आपका 180 minus 130 that is equal to 50. Similarly, angle 2 plus 120 is equal to 180. Angle 2 with the same reason, sum of co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Right? Now, from here you will get angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 120 and this is equal to 60. अब आप देखिए आपका जो एंगल x है, your angle x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 that is 50 plus 60 and this is equal to 110 degree. So we have worked out for the value of angle x. Right? Now in the same question I am telling you, we are having the another question. I'll change this one. This is your question number 4. If AB is parallel to CD, find the value of X. Now just see, our position of X is this side. ये आपका X है, right? This is the point O and your values are given in this way. थोड़ा सा आप इसको और extend कर लीजिए. It is given, this angle is given as 30 and this angle is given as 45. Right? So here you can see we are supposed to find out the value of X. Now construction will be the same. Draw a line through O parallel to AB and AB is your parallel to CD. आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी. Right? Mark it angle 1 and angle 2. You can see that angle 1 is equal to 30 degree. Alternate interior angle. Okay. Similarly, your angle 2 is equal to 45 degree. The same reason, alternate interior angle. Right? Now, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 30 plus 45 that is 75 and angle X plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 360. The sum of all the angle at a point. Now angle X is equal to 360 minus angle 1 plus angle 2 and this is equal to 360 minus 75 5 and this is equal to 285. So this is how we have worked out for the value of x. Thank you.